special happening today, Stella?
No, nothing. Only Mikey coming over to study with me this evening.
Stella's got a date.
No, I do not. It's just a very casual, definitely not a date, just friend study buddy math session.
Stella's got a date.
It's not a date. It's just maths.
Ooh, I know some maths. 1 + 1 equals...
Molly! Mikey's here! Everybody scatter! Oh, hi Mikey. Come in.
Hey! It's a bit quiet. Where's the family?
Everyone's out. The cinema. It's just us.
Oh, didn't you want to go?
No. I'd much rather study.
For real? I don't know. New film looks cool.
Yeah, but good grades are cool too.
Make way for the prince. Oh, wait for Mr. P.
Oh, that annoying door. Squeaky hinge. Must remind Dad to fix it.
I can take a look. Reckon it just needs a bit of skateboard grease.
No! You might get grease on your books. I mean, hey, it's cool. Don't worry about it.
Whatever. No worries. What's so funny?
Nothing.
Is there, like, stuff on my face?
Your face is perfect. Hey, how about some music?
Sure. What kind of music you into? What's up?
The sun was just shining on my books. Very distracting. You know, music's a distraction too. Let's just study.
You're the boss. You okay?
Me? Oh yes, just doing some stretching. It's important not to sit still for too long when you're studying. You should take regular stretching breaks.
But you just sat down.
Can't be too careful.
You know, I should make a move too.
No! You need to stay right there. Can't have anything affecting your grades now, can we? Eyes down.
Make way for the... 117 laps to the garden is surely sufficient. Really, your Highness mustn't overdo it. Please, stop.
Woof. Just shaking out the tension in my hands. All that counting on my fingers. This is super tricky maths, right?
Yeah, I think I'm done with maths today. I might head off.
Don't head off. You don't need to go. But I need to go to the bathroom. Can you give me 1 minute? Molly! 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 Oh, no.
What's that popping sound?
I'm just making some popcorn. Just 1 more minute.
Night out.
Molly, you promised you wouldn't ruin my evening. Stop being silly and go back upstairs to Snowy right now.
Okay. I'm sorry.
What? Here.
Oops. Sorry, Mr. P.
May I remind you again that a princess must descend with elegance, and that felt very much like 2 princesses and precious little elegance.
Sorry, Mr. P. Mr. P, where's Brady?
Well, Your Highness said follow him around until I ran out of energy.
I meant the baby!
Oh, dear me. Her protocol for a missing prince is to summon the king and queen immediately.
No, nothing must ruin our date. I mean, their date.
Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna go now. Whoa!
Oh, hi, Mikey.
Ooh, apologies, young sir. The royal summons can be a little startling.
Is this some kind of prank?
No, I'm sorry, Mikey. I may have slightly forgotten to mention I was babysitting tonight. I just didn't want to put you off studying. Why are you laughing? Aren't you angry?
I didn't come to study. I came to hang out. Thought you were acting so weird to get rid of me.
She's always weird.
Molly!
And then we take the square root of the common denominator and multiply it by the integer, the result of which we found in the previous calculation.
Stella! Guess what? We're looking after a kitten until she finds a forever home. She's so adorable.
That's so cool!
When you pet her, she makes the cutest... Huh?
You two whispering back there? Since you are knowledgeable enough to chat and calculate at the same time, your homework today will be the exercises on pages 52 and 53. Now, as I was saying, if we square the result of the binomial equation...
Stella, want to come to mine after school? We'll do homework and you can meet the kitten.
Yeah?
Hey.
Oh my goodness! This is the cutest cat I've ever seen.
Meow. My name is Princess Fluff.
Well, meow, Princess Fluff. Will you help us with our home achoo work?
Bless you.
The achoo, achoo, achoo.
Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Shall we get started?
Who's the sweetest, loveliest, cutest little cat? Achoo, 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 achoo.
Are you sure you're all right?
What? Me? Yes. I'm just getting a cold. That's all. Or else I'm allergic to maths. Achoo!
Your eyes and nose are really red.
What are you talking about? It's just a cold. How could I be allergic to maths? That was a joke.
I remember when I was young and played polo, and I wasn't very good either. But then...
You played polo?
Not for very long, but I had lots of fun. I made friends, and I even met your father there.
I won't play football for very long either.
The point is not to give up, and try to have fun. I gave up too soon.
Stella, I'm sorry, I'm just learning to play football and I'm not very good at it. Do you want to play with us?
Yes?
Are you okay, Stella? Go, Stella! Go, Stella! Yeah! Go, Stella!
Another piece of toast, Stella.
Would you like the last banana?
Hey, I wanted that banana.
Now, Molly, Stella needs to regain her string.
I need to hurry. Me and Frey will be here any minute.
Oh, I don't know how you're going to get to school in this rain.
Hey Stella, look what I found. These are from when I broke my leg skateboarding.
They're amazing. Thank you.
You're doing great. Took me ages to figure out these crutches.
Thanks.
It looks like it's going to rain all day. Good thing the pool's indoors.
You're going to the pool?
I can't wait to try their new slide.
Sounds fun. I'm in.
With your foot. No, you're not.
But what if you slip on the wet floor?
What if you twist your ankle on the slide steps? We'll go again when you're better. Promise.
Hey Stella. How are you feeling?
Hi.
Cool crutches.
Need any help getting to class?
Want to play Dance Dance Your Pants Off 2000 with me? I'm sure this time we can beat the high score.
Don't be silly. My leg needs rest. Oof.
Uh-huh.
Huh? Ah.
It's official. You're a has-been.
Uh-oh.
The minute word gets out your foot is all right again, it's all over. The attention, the gifts, you can kiss the good life goodbye.
I can't believe you're not allowed in our house anymore. They're acting like such kids.
I know, just stupid. Such a shame that your dad pushed my dad so that the cable broke.
What? My dad pushed your dad? No way! It was your dad who pushed mine.
I don't think so.
Liar! Like father, like son.
The hospital is running out of fuel for their emergency generator, and your fathers are busy arguing over whose fault it was. What kind of leaders are they?
Yeah, who are the 2-year-olds now? Look at us.
You're right. What are we doing? We need to fix this.
You know what the mayor said?
Huh?
He said that you're not a very good cyclist and that he can cycle way faster than you. Is that true, Dad?
There's no way that man can cycle faster than me. Let's not forget, I was the cycling champion at school.
Wow. Well, then I guess it would be okay if you raced him at the spinning gym. He said that you would never dare.
Just tell me where and when, and I'll make you one proud princess.
Yes.
Can you believe he said he could cycle faster than me? I'll show him.
Dad, he's faster than you. Go, Dad, come on.
Go on. Come on, Dad, you can beat him. You can go faster than that. Come on.
Faster.
All right,
Hurry
you're
up.
doing it. Don't let him beat you.
Dad, come on.
Go on.
Yeah.
You did it!
Thanks. Did what exactly?
You kept the hospital going. You powered the whole grid. You saved them.
What? Looks like your son fooled us. My son? I think you mean your daughter. For a good cause. Smart kid. Well, I must admit you're strong. What? I'm wrong? No, you're wrong. You've got me wrong. You're wrong. No, I'm saying you're wrong. No, I'm saying you're strong.
No! Me arm. Don't worry about the show, Leo. You just get that arm fixed.
The school talent show is tomorrow. Mikey's band is going to play. It's Mikey's moment of glory. But that's his guitarist.
There's no way I can find a guitarist before tomorrow. we're not going to be able to play.
Ah, wait.
Huh?
I'll do it. I'll play.
Really? Yeah!
Oh.
Stella, you're a star. Practice today, after school.
But Stella, I didn't know you played the guitar. How come you never told us that?
Well, define play. I mean, maybe... Ugh. Okay then, I admit. I've never played the guitar, but it just came out, and I was gonna take it back. But then Mikey looked so happy. Besides, I've played the harp all my life. Guitar has way less strings. How difficult can it be? Hi guys! Hello!
Woohoo! You're here!
Woohoo!
Okay, no time to waste. Wait, where's your guitar?
I forgot it. I mean, it's being fixed. My previous gig got a bit intense.
Cool. Okay, you can use Leo's, but take it easy. You all right there?
Yeah, no worries. I'm cool.
Okay then. Let's rock and roll. Just play like this.
Okay.
Stella, feel free to join in whenever you're ready.
Mm-hmm.
Stella?
I just need to use the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Just be quick. My dad's picking me up at 4.
Oh.
Okay, let's try again.
I think my phone's ringing.
I can't hear anything.
No, wait. I'm sure it was ringing. I better check, just in case. Where did I put it? It's in here somewhere. Dad? No, I can't talk now. I'm playing with my band. Yeah, gotta go, Dad. Bye. Ouch!
What now?
Ow! I think I just got stung by a bee.
A bee? It's December.
I know. Crazy, yeah? Maybe it was a Christmas bee, you know? 'Cause you should be merry.
Let Stella start with the intro.
Good idea.
Uh-huh.
Stage is yours.
Uh-huh. Oh.
Excuse me. Duty calls, Mikey. Time to go.
See you guys.
Hey, the gig is tomorrow.
Maybe these, Your Highness? The Queen Mother has these, and I feel like they would also. Oh, those are an excellent choice. Her Majesty the Queen has a similar pair, and they're most stylish.
Ugh. Ew.
Princess Stella and Queen Cat, like 2 peas in a pod.
Oh, they're perfect. You look very smart.
Smart? You think so? Then I'll take them.
Oh, dear.
Uh-oh. Hi. Hi.
Huh? Are you okay?
Yes. It's just an adjustment period, they say.
I didn't know you needed glasses, but I like them.
Yeah, me too. I'm very short-sighted, the optician said. Oh, ouch.
Are you sure they got their prescription right?
They're perfect. Morning, Mrs. Kaufman.
What?
Ah. Whoa. Oh, look at that cute puppy.
Oh, That's not a puppy.
Hi.
Hi.
Hey, I like your glasses. They make you look really cool.
Time to head in now, everyone.
We better get to class then.
Hurry up, kids! Where are you going?
To class? Wait! You're not Mikey!
No, I'm not Mikey.
Henry VIII had people lick his sheets to make sure they weren't poisoned.
Wow. You're the best partner for this food and royalty project. Who knew history could be so interesting?
Gosh, it's so late already. And we're nowhere near done.
We can finish it tomorrow. Dad, can Stella stay for dinner tomorrow? That way we'll have time to finish our project for sure.
Of course she can. Actually, you're in luck, Stella. Tomorrow I'm making a dish I'm famous for. And I'm not giving away the recipe no matter how much you love it.
That sounds great. What's the dish?
Oh, it's a tradition in our family. A rather unusual combination that I've perfected over the years. Brussels sprouts and liver stew.
Brussels sprouts?
Stella, are you okay?
What? Yes, I'm just excited to try this dish. It smells delicious.
I hope it lives up to expectations. Here, an extra big portion for my appreciative guest.
It's all in the wrist.
Oops, so clumsy.
Goodness, wait a minute. I forgot the gravy. Can't eat without the gravy.
Mikey, you need to help me. I can't eat this.
Yeah, I know. Just wait for the gravy.
I hate Brussels sprouts and liver. If I have to eat an entire plate, I'm going to be sick. I might die.
But why didn't you say so? Let's tell my dad. I'm sure he can make you an omelette.
No, I'm a princess. Being rude to my host would be an unforgivable diplomatic offence. Please, please don't say anything to your dad. It's my royal duty. I just need your help to...
You can certainly have a helping of the gravy.
Smells delicious.
Haha, wait until you try it. No, stop. There's barely anything on that fork. Make sure to really dig in. Well?
Dad, the thing about Stella and Brussels sprouts is...
I love it!
You do?
I can't believe it. This is actually... so good. I've never had anything so... delicious. You have to give me the recipe.
I told you, family secret.
Can I have more, please?
What an appreciative guest.
Agent P on the move. Asset located. Visual confirmed. I repeat.
What was that noise?
Is someone following us? You've eaten way too many sweets. You're imagining things.
She might not be. Haven't you heard the rumors about the eclipse zombie?
Very funny, Mikey. Put the music back on.
Oh, my phone's out of charge.
I'm serious. At the last lunar eclipse, some local children disappeared. The only trace they ever found was a chewed backpack of empty sweet wrappers. I heard they were triplets. Hey, wait up! Don't leave me behind.
No, not running. I'm not built for running.
Ah! Ah!
Coming to bed in a minute. Where are you, Secret Agent P? Best agent's gone dark. Pick up, Stella. Pick up. Oh. Oh.
Wow. It's completely dark.
Yeah, it's a lunar eclipse.
Mikey, stop teasing Stella and turn the torch back on. Mine's dead.
Mine's dead too. Must have used the torch too much.
Freya, where's yours? I didn't bring mine. What? You're all with me, so what's the point?
The point is, mine doesn't have a torch. My parents won't get me the upgrade. Oh!
It's the eclipse zombie!
Okay, this isn't fun anymore. I'm calling home. Oh no, there's no signal.
Stella, concentrate! This is the big finale move. Remember what Mrs. Winterbottom said. Tell the story with your body. Great storytelling, Stella. Was it the story of the runaway train or Humpty Dumpty?
Never mind, Stella. Let's call it a day.
Let's call it a disaster. There's only one more rehearsal and she's gonna ruin it for us all. I should have requested a solo. Oh, Stella's group is next.
The next dance in your program, the Phoenix Rising from the Ashes, has a few last-minute changes.
Oh.
Please welcome The Curse of the Golden Statue, the story of a foolish girl turned into a statue by a wicked witch.
Oh no, she's going to move. I can't look.
Yay!
Ah, yes. Now there's a move Stella has perfected.
I give it 2 stars.
Now, the first act is Mikey and the dudes. So please give them a big, big round of applause. Mikey and the dudes.
Don't worry, she'll be here. Whoa, you're here! Come on, hurry, we're on. Wait, where's your guitar?
Oh. Out with a bang then. Sorry.
Royal School Band disqualified for unruly behavior.
Love letter from Mikey. Love letter from Mikey.
Yeah, well, at least you can't read it now.
Love letter from Mikey. Love letter from Mikey.